Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, factors box pattern. Int n is initialized as integer variable n. Scanf, %d, and n prompts the user to enter an integer and reads the input into the variable n. Int arr 1001 j equals 0 declares an array arr to store factors and an index j to keep track. 4. Int I equals 1, I less than or equals n, I++, loops through numbers from 1 to n. If n% I equals 0, checks if I is a factor of n. Arr, j equals I, stores the factor in the array arr. J++ increments the index to the next position. Int len equals, j asterisk 2, 1, calculates the size of the matrix based on the number of factors. Int brr, len, declares a 2D array brr to store the pattern. 4. Int I equals 0, is then or equals len/2, ++ I, outer loop for rows, iterating up to half of the matrix. 4. Int k equals I, k less than len minus I, k++, inner loop for columns, adjusting based on the row index. Fills the matrix symmetrically with factors from the arr. 4. Int I equals 0, is then len, I++, loop for rows of the matrix. 4. Int k equals 0, k less than len, k++, loop for columns of the matrix. Prints each element of the matrix followed by a space. Printf, \n, moves to the next line after printing a row. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.